Hey guys, Danny here, hope you're all doing well. Today we are looking at something a little bit different. So you already know what's in this huge box by the intro. Today we are looking at a gaming chair. This was sent to me for review, and as always, if you'd like to pick it up, you can find a link down below. I was interested in reviewing this product for a few reasons. If you're into gaming at all or you watch any live streams, you'll notice that most gamers have a gaming chair. It's a bit of a strange name because what does a gaming chair actually do, and is it even comfortable and good to use? Well, that's one of the reasons why I wanted to review this and share my experience with you, because it's a little bit of a strange product and I wanted to see how it actually performs. So I've taken all the pieces out of the box. The box looked pretty banged up, but all the pieces look okay so far. So what I'll probably do is put this together and do a little time-lapse video and tell you how long it takes me. This product was extremely easy to put together. It only comes in like 3 or 4 main pieces that you need to slot and put together. It's really straightforward. Even if you've never put any furniture together or you have virtually no DIY skills, you won't have any problems with this. Everything comes labeled. The user manual is really easy to follow. If you're experienced, you could put this together in literally a few minutes. Like I say, you only have a few main pieces and a few metal parts that you have to bolt onto the chair pieces, so it's very straightforward. Visually, I think the chair is completely overkill. The really bright color is pretty crazy. You can get this in a whole bunch of different colors, and admittedly it's not the usual color design I would go for, especially for a chair, but I did want to give this product a chance, and I do admit it is growing on me a little bit. So you see, like a usual office chair, it does have wheels. The interesting thing about these compared to my last chair is they are rubber wheels on the bottom, so it's a lot quieter when you move this around, which I do quite like. And you'll see you also get these support cushions as well. Initially, when I first sat in the chair, I did have a little bit of a concern that this wouldn't be comfortable on long-term use, because it has a tendency to keep your body quite upright and has quite a rigid base to it as well, so you can't actually spread your legs very wide. They're forced inwards by the little flaps that you can see on the side, and they seem to be reinforced by some sort of metal or something very rigid inside, as they don't have any give to them. Now, of course, this is a very gimmicky feature that you can see it has. It has a footrest, and you can also recline it backwards, which is not something you're probably ever going to use, but it is nice to have the adjustment, because I definitely have adjusted the back a few times so it feels a bit more comfortable for me. The neck support cushion and the back support cushion can easily be removed, but I'm not sure how I feel about them, because why would you need them if the chair isn't already comfortable without them? But I suppose it's an extra thing you can have there anyway, so you can customize it to what you like. And of course, let's not forget the most important feature of any chair. Don't lie, you've all done this. Of course, let's talk about probably the most important part of a chair, and is it actually comfortable to sit on? The short answer is no, but the longer answer is a little bit more complicated. So I don't really have great posture when I sit down anyway, so this chair felt like it forced me to correct my posture a bit more and sit up a little bit straighter, as it does have quite a rigid back, and the bottom part doesn't allow you to move your legs a great deal, so it does force you to adjust your posture, which I think is the main reason I didn't find it that comfortable, as it does seem to have sufficient cushioning on the bottom and on the back of the chair that it doesn't feel hard to sit on at all. I think it's mainly a change of posture to the way that I normally sit. There's also a very other obvious drawback to this style of chair, and being a leather material, it does get hot very quickly, so if you're somewhere that has a typically very hot climate, then this chair is going to make you pretty sweaty. But for me, I am used to this style of chair, so I don't mind it too much. But for those of you that want something a little bit more breathable, of course this definitely isn't going to be for you. So my final thoughts on this product are a little bit mixed. What I would say is, if you are looking for a gaming chair, I don't think you're going to get one for a better price than what this is offering, and it offers such a similar design to a lot of gaming chairs out there. I don't really think you'll be missing any features from other ones, but if you are looking for something that's comfortable and breathable and just what you need for day-to-day use, then this isn't really going to be something you need to spend more money to get. They do actually have a updated model of this chair, which is kind of like a version 2, which has improvements. So if this video does well, then maybe I'll take a look at the second one also. As always, if you'd like to pick up this product, you can find a link down below. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and of course I will see you in the next one.